evening. Good evening. I have been reading Cofnas's paper on race. I forgot the paper's title. I don't want to misquote it and get accused of something else. So, I first read it in English, and then I realized that I don't have a solid enough background in philosophy to understand exactly what he's doing. So guess what I did? I translated the paper to Sesotho. I read it in Sesotho. Now I can return. But let me highlight one thing that was rather interesting for me. He talks about the machine experiment, the machine principle. I'll call it the machine experience by Nozick. And I'm trying to understand how this machine experiment or experience would work in terms of the IQ. If I imagine all the possible worlds in Nozick's planet, then I'm sitting here thinking, how would I know that one of the IQ reports is not a simulation? Where am I going with this? Let's say hypothetically, I took an exam for the IQ test. Right after I had been in a car accident, I had nowhere to postpone it. And compare that score to another one on which I took the test around Christmas time. Everybody's happy, singing carols, and it's rather a relaxed atmosphere. I don't know. I'm having a little bit of trouble thinking about Cofnas's reliance on the IQ, given this juxtaposition I'm making with Nozick's experience machine. Is that what it's called? I'll be back. Let me go back and read. Thank God I have access to Sesotho. The paper is much easier to read in Sesotho than it is in the philosophical language. It's pretty dense, but we'll get there. I honestly just want to understand what he's trying to say about race and intelligence.